natural circle. We're gonna go start with the front door. Go in, walk in, living room. The carpet has been vacuumed and shampooed. Tiles have been swept, mopped, and steam cleaned. The TV stand is still here. Fireplace still works. The walls also have been wiped down and cleaned. Everything has been disinfected. The fan has been cleaned as well, and it works. Over here is the dining room. Chandelier is still here. Again, floors have been swept, mopped, and steam cleaned. Walls also have been wiped down. Kitchen. Countertops have been wiped down and disinfected. The sink also has been wiped clear. Cabinets have been emptied and disinfected. The microwave and the stovetop and the oven have all been cleaned. Everything has been cleaned. Microwave has been cleaned. Filter is replaced. Grease trap has been cleaned. These items here are the water filters for the refrigerator. This goes to your TV stand. This is one of the garage remotes. Again, these pieces go to the TV. Refrigerator has also been disinfected and cleaned out. There's nothing here. Water filter has been replaced. Freezer as well. Electricity is still on. It should be getting shut off at some point today, as well as water. The lights all still work. Oh, that one as well. Those lights still work. Still work. Back patio, we have replaced the screen door. There are no holes in the screen. Back lock. Patio has been cleaned up. I left your broom here as well. Again, we replaced the screen. There are no holes in the screen. And the lock is still functional, as well as the light outside. Back over here. Storage closet has been cleaned, vacuumed, wiped down. That hand sanitizer was yours, so it's left here. That has been cleaned. Half bath downstairs. Those I believe were yours, the plunger and the scrubber. And this has been wiped down and cleaned as well. All right, going to the upstairs. The walls have been cleaned, handrails have been cleaned. Stairs have been vacuumed and also shampooed. Stairs. Here's the first hall, has been shampooed, vacuumed. Every room has been shampooed and vacuumed that had carpet. Thermostat is turned off. Okay. Lights, hall work. Lights in this hall work. We have replaced the air filter up there. It's been replaced as of yesterday, which was, I believe, the 3rd, February 3rd. The keys to this door at the top. These cabinets have been emptied. Those lights are yours, but these have been emptied out. First room, again, there's no lights in here. No ceiling lights, no ceiling fan. Closets have been cleaned and emptied out. That's the first room. Back this way, down the hall to the hall bathroom. It's been cleaned, emptied out. We left your shower caddy and we left your shower bar, but everything in here works. And it's been cleaned out. It's been emptied. Mirrors are clean as well. Back over here is the laundry room. Everything still works. Everything still turns on. Washer, dryer. The filter has been cleaned out of this. The lights in here have been replaced, as well as the fan still works. In here, cleaned out. These are all yours. It's all your stuff. Again, everything's been emptied and cleaned out. Over here to the other bedroom. It has been shampooed, vacuumed, everything's cleaned up. Again, no ceiling lights in here, no lamps, so no light. This room and the closet has been, I don't want to walk on the carpet because it's already been cleaned, but this room has been done. Now we're gonna head over into the master bedroom. Your curtains are still up. This one has been shampooed. As you can see, we've been running in and out of here yesterday, but it's been vacuumed, shampooed. The light still works, fan still works. Master bathroom. Shower has been cleaned. Everything's been cleaned. It smells really good in here, actually. Tub has been cleaned out. Cabinets have been cleaned out. Everything's been cleaned out. That was your old shower head. We left it here. We did replace it, so we just kept the one we put on. The lights all still are functioning. Water. Mirrors have been cleaned as well. Bathroom, toilet, everything's been disinfected and clean. That was your scrubber, so we left it here. And this is the master closet. Also been vacuumed and shampooed. Left the safe here, it's been emptied out too. Everything is still functioning. Again, that's been replaced. Windows still open. Lights still work. Okay, now we're gonna head downstairs again. For the fireplace, it does still work. Gas. And I will show you the garage through here. Garage has been emptied out. All the things that you left are still here. And the garage door is functioning. And the lights still function. And I believe that is all of the house. I believe that is it. If I missed anything, shoot me a text. But the door code again has been, it should lock behind me when I leave. And that's it. Thanks, Julie.